Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Left lookup with index and match. What are we looking up with match? We're looking up H5 ID 1930. Let's take a look here. Array, row number, that's what we're looking for. What's H5? The ID number. ID 293, go down here, C5 to C13. What's C5 to C13? It is item. I'm going to try to find 1002 using the match function. If I find it, I'm going to say, hey, this is in row 2. Then index is going to go, all right, match, what do you got? Then match is going to say, I've got row number 2. And index is going to go, item 293, which is C5 to C13. It's going to go row 2, C5, C. Well, that's a t-shirt. We go down to the second example, hoodie. Well, where's hoodie? This is the way it works. With the match function, it will look for the first matched item or the first truth. Here we're looking up item 2002. Match will find the row. The index will find the item. Item, array, F9. We have t-shirt, t-shirt, hoodie. Match says what? It says find the lookup value, F9, 2002, where? F9. In this arrangement, what's the argument? We want an exact match. In range, keep in mind, range, where's range looking? It's looking in C5 to C13. So it finds in 2002, it finds row 9, and in column C5 to C13, it matches hoodie. Can we use the VLOOKUP? Well, let's take a look. Here we're looking up 1002. We have VLOOKUP. What are we looking up? H11, which is 1002. What range? B5 to F13. What column? Column 2. We can do the same either with index match or with VLOOKUP. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.